Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, I'm excited to share a classic Midwestern treat, authentic Wisconsin Bratwurst. If you're a fan of juicy, flavorful sausages, then this one's for you. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. I like to marinate my brats for at least 30 minutes in advance. It really does help to infuse them with flavor. While the brats are marinating, go ahead and slice your onion. Now we're going to parboil the brats in beer for about 10 minutes. This will infuse the brats with flavor and ensure they cook evenly on the grill. I like to add the onions in the last 5 minutes so that they aren't overcooked. Now that our brats are simmered and packed with flavor, it's time to grill them. This is where the magic happens. Get your grill nice and hot. You're looking for a medium to high heat here. Place the brats on the grill and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You want those classic grill marks and a nice crispy skin. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Typically, the beer braised onions are used as the topping, but I like to saute them first to give them extra flavor and a firmer texture. Next, we're going to toast our buns. Brush them lightly with a neutral oil and then toast them for about a minute or so until they're lightly browned. Now it's time to assemble our bratwurst. In each toasted bun, place some mustard, followed by a brat. Top with sauteed onions, sauerkraut, and mustard. Finally, top with a little fresh ground pepper. And there you have it, folks, the perfect Wisconsin bratwurst. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor cooking tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below if you have any favorite bratwurst toppings or grilling tips. Until next time, happy grilling.
Good. It's super good.